Ethereum was left standing on the twins' doorstep last night, and everything since can be graded with one word: quiet. Price is 1,869, down 1% on the day, with the last two closes above the 20-hour average for the first time since the ceiling's final ask. Start with what did not happen overnight. The twins under the market, Wave 4's low over Wave 1's top, were never approached again, not once and not even by a wick. Since the two undercutting wicks, nothing has traded below 1,858, $10 clear of the upper twin. The low itself stopped 61 cents above. The market had its chance to return, and declined. Every close since the low printed 18 now finished above the old floor at 1,856, and the last 6 hours held 1,865. The lows are climbing slowly, with no spike doing the work. That is the doorstep ledger. No retest, no acceptance below the old floor, and a rising staircase of lows. It reads the way a completed correction is supposed to read, quietly. Now the honest half of the grade. The recovery's best print is 1,878, reached in the first 3 hours off the low and not seen since. That is $26 short of the repair line at 1,904, carried all week. Zero contact so far, and the 50-hour average sits just in front of that line, so the first gate overhead is really two gates stacked. Size the correction against the climb it corrects. From the top at 1,981, the market has returned $132, 28% of the advance, and has added nothing in a full day. 28% reaches the fourth wave's zone, where corrections go to finish, and stays nowhere near the shelf at 1,802 below the twins. The advance labeling is untouched by any of this. The low kept 61 cents of daylight above Wave 4's low. Wave 1's top cites $2 beneath that, and no overlap rule was ever asked to speak. Momentum says the same from the side. Relative strength recovered from 27 at the low to about 42 on $19 of range. The pressure came out through time, not price, which is what a quiet hold looks like on an oscillator. The watch list keeps its order. Over 1,904 the repair begins, with 1,919 behind it. Acceptance under the twins on closes opens 1,802. Until one side moves, this is a market standing guard on its own low, the doorstep defended, the repair band untouched, and the twins deciding everything beneath. The quiet is today's finding. A correction that stops asking the ceiling and refuses its own retest is behaving, and behavior is all a chart offers. Educational analysis, never financial advice. New counts land every day, so subscribe to keep score with us, like the video if the rules earned it, and share it forward.